Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be me getting back on my diet. I don't really like to call it a diet because it's not really a diet, but yeah. So if you watched my video on my chronic illness story, you know I have a chronic illness, so yeah, and I will link that somewhere in the cards. But because of my chronic illness, I have to be gluten-free and somewhat sugar and dairy free as well, or my body will not function. But I also have to eat a lot of protein and carbs are hard to get when you're gluten free, at least for me. So over the last few months I have failed miserably when it comes to my diet. I've been eating pretty much whatever I want, whenever I want, no matter what it is. So today I have 5 tips to share with you that help me, or have helped me get back on my diet. And the first one is keep a list or a book of meal ideas. I have a list in my food journal that I keep. And then the next thing is keep a running food list. Know what food you have, know what you're running low on. That way you know what you have to get, and that really helps me move on to my third tip, which is keep a running grocery list. I always have at least a small list with me at all times, even if it's 1 or 2 things. That way if I go into the store, I can just grab them. The fourth thing is meal plan. And I meal plan all of my meals and my snacks. So even if and I don't meal plan breakfast like I do everything else. Sometimes I do, but sometimes I don't. Mainly my meal plan is lunch and dinner. I plan those meals because it's just easier for me. Because some mornings I just don't feel like eating. And most mornings I've got to do something, so I've got to have something quick. Again, my last thing is meal prep, but have quick meals just in case. Like I meal prep at least once a week, sometimes 2 times a week, depending on where I'm at. And if you can hear the lawnmower, I'm sorry. But if I'm at my grandparents', I don't usually meal prep when I'm over there. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. So that would be usually my second meal prep. My first meal prep is usually at my house. And what I mean by having quick meals just in case, like if I have, like let's say that week I did meal prep breakfast and I made muffins or something, or if I meal prepped and I wanted so I could make omelets or something in a morning, but that didn't happen because I woke up late or something. I always have something on standby, like I have a granola bar or a Lara bar or something. And I meal prep snacks as well, because usually snacks are just granola bars or muffins, and I like to make my own granola bars, my own muffins. That way I know what's in it. That is one of my big things. I have to know what's in it. So those are my 5 tips for that helped me get back on my diet, and hopefully they will help you. And so that'll be it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you've not done so already, hit the red subscribe button down below. Click the little bell next to it if you want notifications for every time I upload, which is Tuesdays and Thursday. And other than that, I will thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.